everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I hope everyone doing well. I'm back with another exciting video today. I'm planning to make Caesar salad. It's a very famous salad around the world and pretty easy to make and quick recipe. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe, first I'm gonna cut some crouton. You can use any bread. For the best result, you can use a crusty like baguette or any other crusty bread, or you can use a simple sliced bread also. I'm just cutting into chunks. Put in the tray. I'm gonna spread some oil, olive oil, a little bit of olive oil. You can use butter also if you want, garlic butter. Some salt, some pepper. Some salt. Mix everything together. And just preheated oven on 350 degree for 2 to 3 minutes until it get golden brown and crisp. So we're gonna pop in the oven. So now we're gonna make Caesar dressing. So crack some 2 eggs. So we're gonna use only the yolk for that. So we're gonna separate white from the yolk. And place it in the bowl. So 2 egg yolk, and then we're gonna add mustard, about teaspoon of mustard. We're gonna combine everything together. And we're gonna start pouring a little bit of olive oil, like a little bit of drop by drop. So it should be like this, emulsify, getting thicker. So I used 2 egg yolk and about a cup of olive oil, combine all together, and teaspoon of mustard. Now I'm going to add some seasoning, some salt, some pepper, and the lemon juice, of half a lemon juice. I want to chop 3 cloves of garlic. Some salt. And I'm going to add some capers. We're going to chop capers also with that. Traditionally we use anchovy. I couldn't find, and also I didn't like the taste of anchovy, so I'm not using it. But the most, it's very important to use capers, anchovy, garlic for the Caesar dressing. It's the main part of the dressing, and also the Parmesan cheese. So our chopped garlic and capers is ready. I'm gonna add it to the dressing right here. And I'm gonna use some dill also. I'm gonna chop some dill. It's optional if you wanna use it. You don't have to use dill. I like dill smell in a Caesar. Just roughly chop. I'm gonna add it to the dressing. So now we're gonna combine all the ingredients. Now I'm gonna add cheese. So I'm gonna grate some cheese. I'm not using a Parmesan cheese, I'm using a simple Havarti cheese. Most of the cheese, just a note, most of the cheese, they're all not halal. So make sure you check the ingredients, especially Parmesan. They use ingredient called rennet. It's not halal. If you find in any cheese rennet, please don't use it if you eat halal cheese. So I'm using a regular Havarti cheese. So I'm just grating a little bit of Havarti in the dressing. And then we're gonna combine everything together. So our Caesar dressing is ready. So we're waiting for the crouton to get ready. So our crouton is ready, nice and brown. So I'm gonna let it cool it down a little bit. Then we're gonna prepare our Caesar salad. So now we're gonna prepare our Caesar salad. So I have a romaine lettuce here. You can use Boston lettuce also. You can use iceberg also. Typically, people use romaine hearts. So I'm gonna cut some romaine hearts. You can break it down like with your hand also, just like this, like big pieces. Put in a bowl. I like to cut, so I'm gonna cut it. So pretty much I'm gonna use this part of the lettuce. A little bit of green. So now we're gonna add our dressing. We're gonna put a little bit and then see how it's look. Crouton. I'm gonna add some crouton, some cheese, so our salad is nicely mixed. So now I'm gonna do some presentation. See, look very appetizing and tasty actually. So now I'm gonna do some presentation. I'm gonna put the Caesar in the middle. And some cheese. I'm gonna do some cheese also. Some crouton and and so some cherry tomato. If you have a sun-dried tomato or smoked tomato, dry smoked tomato, you can use that. I like to put some cherry tomato, give a nice color to the presentation. Some chopped dill or parsley. And one reddish flower. Voila, look amazing. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice. It's pretty easy to make. Please do try this recipe. Pretty simple to make. It's very delicious salad. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back very soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.